Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new super duper useless tutorial. Today we're gonna learn how to draw Kirby. Kirby is the famous Nintendo pink character that usually swallows anything by blowing air. And now we're gonna draw him with a very simple and easy technique. So, first of all, you draw a circle. Then you dot the eyes. Then you draw a big smile. And now you have Kirby. Right here. As you can see, it's literally Kirby. And don't forget to paint it with the right color. Just like this. Oops, I did a mistake. Make sure to make a new layer and put it underneath. And now, there we go, you have Kirby. That's insane, guys. That's insane. Anyway, thank you all guys for watching. I hope this tutorial was completely useless and a waste of time. And if you liked it, don't forget to smash the dislike button. I'll see ya on the next one.